Welcome back. In this video, we'll be solving question number 4, which says that we should construct a triangle whose perimeter is 200 if one of its base angles is 75 and its base is 70. That is, the base is 70. So let us start. You draw a line at the bottom. I want to place it at the bottom this time around. Let my starting point be from here. I'll just draw a line, and along it I'll measure my base. I'll measure my base, which is 70. It says the base is 70. 70 is here. So after measuring 70, it now says that one of the base angles is 75 degrees. Look at it. One of its base angle is 75 degrees. So I need to construct 75 degrees. How do I construct 75 degrees? I need to construct, you stay here, you mark arc like this. After marking arc with the same radius, let me extend the arc a little bit more. With the same radius, I'll come to this place and I'll mark another arc here. So this one will be 60. I'll go to that place of 60 and mark another arc. That will give me another 60. So I have 60 and 60. I can bisect this also so I can get 90, because this is 60. What I need more to add to it is 15. So since I have 60 here, let me bisect it and I'll get 30 and bisect my 30 again. So to bisect the 60, I'll stay here now. Let me extend my compass a little bit higher. You mark arc here with the same radius, come to this other side and mark another arc like this. So this will give me 90 degrees. I can draw it. And when you are drawing this, make sure you are drawing it in thin line, because that is not part of the triangle we want to draw. Thin line. So now I have 30 here and I have 60 here. Let me bisect this 30 again. So to bisect the 30 here, I'll use this point, and this point. So I'll stay here now. I'll mark an arc here. I'll stay on this one too and mark another arc to intersect the first one like that. So that will give me 15. So definitely this line will now, the angle will now be 75. I'll put it on this one like this and I'll draw it like that. So from this place to this one is now 75 degrees, which is what is required for the question. Now remember, our perimeter according to the question is 200. Let me see it again. This question 4, perimeter is 200, and from that perimeter we have measured 70. What do we have left? That will be 200 minus 70, which will be 130. So you measure 130 on this line. Now this line that you have drawn, the 75 degree line, you measure 130. 130 will be here. That is 13 cm. This is my 130. Get that? I hope you got that. This from here to here is 130 plus 70 will give us the 200, which is the perimeter. Now that we have done that, you now join this end to the other end of the base like this. You join it to the other end of the base. After you have done that, the next thing you want to do is to bisect this line that you just joined. We measured this one. You are not going to bisect the one you measured. The one you just joined without measuring is the one you will bisect. So I'll stay on this line now. I'll open it more than half of the line that I want to bisect. I'll mark an arc here and on the other side. I'll go to the other end of the line, which is here. I'll mark another arc here and this one. Yeah. So I have my line bisected now. So I have this point and this point. That will give me the bisector. So let me join them. You stay here now and draw a line to connect them together. That's the bisector, like that. So after joining the bisector, now where the bisector intersect that line that we measured, remember this is 70, we now measure 130 here. So where the bisector is intersecting that line, you mark that point and join it to the two base corners of the triangle. Two base corners of the triangle here, you join it to this place with thick line now, and you join this one too to this place with thick line. Then the base to thicken the base. So that is the required triangle. You can see that it's only the triangle that is required that is thick. All other lines are construction lines, so they are all thin lines. So that is how to construct a triangle given the perimeter, the base length, and one of the base angle. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed the video, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you very much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.